This is the RK61 keyboard. I've been using it for around 2 months now, and here are my thoughts on it. Its overall design is very minimalistic. In the bottom right corner, it has a set of arrow keys which are very useful. It also has a nice physical escape key, tab key, and caps lock key. Its method of charging is USB Type-C, which is very popular in the tech community. It's overall very well built, and you can tell by the way it looks that it looks very nice in any type of gaming setup or even a productivity setup. On the back, it has nice rubber feet which allow it to remain sturdy when laying on the table. It never shakes around. It's very nice. There, you'll also find the on and off switch. Turning off the lights, you see this really nice blue LED setting, sadly only in the blue color on this version. Thankfully, it allows you to change some of the color patterns by clicking the FN key and the backward slash key. Here are a few of the combinations. The sides have a nice boxy design which provides some sturdy materials to type on. And it also has a downward slant which allows for some ergonomic typing. From all sides, it looks truly beautiful. Its ergonomic design is what has allowed me to reach typing speeds of about 60 to 70 words per minute, and I'm hoping to increase that as the months go on to about 100 plus words per minute. It also has this nice logo. It comes with this nice USB Type-C wire, but it also has this nice Bluetooth feature. And this nice Bluetooth feature allows you to use it with devices that are not necessarily Windows, such as the iPad. The response time is second to none. Alright, so right now we're going to do a bit of a typing test. So I have two types of keyboards here. I have the RK61 right here, and I also have this Magic Keyboard from Apple that you can buy alongside the iPad Pro. So what we're actually going to do is see which one I get a higher typing speed on, and I'll record it. Okay, so with the Magic Keyboard and iPad Pro, I got 61 words per minute, which is pretty decent as the keys on here are pretty close together. But now let's try the exact same test, but with the RK61. So with the RK61, I got 45 words per minute, which is quite interesting as I thought it would be faster. But, you know, I haven't been using it for that long, so, I mean, it's quite understandable that I wouldn't have as good, because the closeness of the keys allows you to actually type faster. So, given enough time, I could probably get to at least 100 words per minute with this. Now the part that everyone's been waiting for, the typing test. so you're going to be able to hear what it sounds like. So let's do it. Well, all in all, for the price of around $90 Canadian, I'd say that you're getting your money's worth and some, as the keys are quite responsive, even on a wireless connection. It does have the wireless feature, which is very nice when the battery is low, and that also still allows you to use the LED feature. But one thing that I would also think is necessary would be to add some more color options, as this specific version I got is only in blue, which wouldn't really make any sense if you can change the colors on the other models. But other than that, I think it's a very good keyboard, and I would recommend it to others. So that'll basically be the end of the review on the RK61 keyboard. It's a very good keyboard, and I would recommend it. It looks very nice, especially in this white color, gives it a minimalistic look. So I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for keyboards. So basically that's the end of the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and you can always choose to unsubscribe later. So thank you, and I'll see you next time. Let's get back to work.